Managing your projects quickly will be very easy after watching this video. Enter in your most reliable internet browser and search for Trello.com. On the screen, you will see several options. Go to Create New Board and write those tasks that you must perform. You can change the background if you wish. When you get in, you will find a white box. Here, you can modify the title of the tasks to be reviewed. In this case, I wrote the pending days. Then, you can add the subtasks that are derived from this. When creating the board, a panel will open in which you can add different lists with a specific description. In the Members button, you can enter the email of another person in order to collaborate on the project. Also, in Dates, you can put a delivery deadline. And other button in which you can upload an attachment. If we return to the main screen, you will notice that there is another button, which will also indicate a space to add an email from collaborators. If you click on the 3 points, it will display a series of options with which you can interact, such as add card, copy list, move list, automatization. In the bell icon in the upper right part, you can activate notifications of the changes that are being made. Now, you will have your list of tasks very organized, and this will make your work easier.